Welcome to the ViewSonic ColorPro Awards 2023, the heart of creativity in partnership with the shooters community. We're here in London to celebrate the talents of photographers and filmmakers. On day one, we honoured the incredible stories captured through lenses, celebrating our winners in their breathtaking rise stories on the awards night. Day two brought our exclusive workshops to life. From portrait photography to short form video content, it's all about transforming ideas into stunning visuals with ViewSonic's technology. And on our final day, we closed off with a coffee and chill event, a perfect blend of conversations, connections, and coffee, bringing our creative community together. This is the ColorPro Awards 2023, where every moment is a story and every story inspires a new journey.